Here it is, a perfect illustration of gold spreading across this beautiful canvas, all metallics in this piece. Check out the different sizes, boulders, small cells. I love it. This is my gold rush. Check out today's painting, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. Hope you all are doing well, and I want to say thank you so much for being here. Today I will be working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and as you can see, I've already gone ahead and placed the black base on this canvas. I'm working with just shades of gold here, guys, all metallic, and you know how it is working with metallic. It can be very tricky. You got to know how to mix it and all of that, so it's very important. And I just wanted to, do a blow dryer Dutch pour technique for this one. I have done a previous video where I do like a dirty pour, straight pour in all metallics, and the result was just wonderful. But today I wanted to do a Dutch pour and do like a spin art, like a blowout, beautiful spin art. I think I achieved what I was looking for. I created a lot of cells. It was kind of at first, but then it grew on me. It literally grew on me. But you know what? I do love the outcome, and it dried beautifully. Okay, guys, let me mention to you how I mix the paint for this Dutch pour metallic blowout. Okay, I use Artist Loft pouring medium. I use Artist Loft in most of my paintings. Pretty much every one of my paintings that I do, I use the Artist Loft pouring medium. I do love that pouring medium. It's thick. It's also very glossy when it dries. I do love it. And if I do need to add anything else to thin the paint, I use the Zinsser latex extender in this. All right, you don't need to use, if you need to use Zinsser, guys, remember it states on the bottle you don't have to use a lot. Okay, it's just a small amount, and it will just extend the paint. That's what it does. Okay, but I do that, and if I need to add water, I will add water. It depends on how much paint I'm mixing. But for this particular painting I'm doing today, I didn't add any water to it, and I use different brands of paint. I actually use 4 different brands here, guys. All right, I use Liquitex Basic Gold. I use Rose Gold by Modern Masters. That Rose Gold by Modern Masters, I added Deco Art Rich Espresso. It's like a brown, so I wanted to darken the Rose Gold. I didn't want it to be so pinkish, so I did darken it a bit. And then for the last color I used was by Folk Art, and it's also a gold. I'm telling you guys, that gold by Folk Art, it dried so transparent, and it mixed well with the Artist Loft pouring medium. I'm telling you, it's a beauty. It's so soft when it's dried, and yeah, I love it. So let me know what you guys think, and of course, you know what, guys, give this video a thumbs up if you do like this one. And I want to mention that if you're here this far, this video is part of our weekly Tuesday night premiere with me, Laurie, Holly, and Nate. And I do mention that they're named in that order because that's how they're gonna do their premieres. Holly, Laurie, and me, and then Nate. But I will be putting their channel names or their video names below in my description. You guys go ahead and check it out. Guys, listen, we stress on our premieres that, you know what, do come out and join us on our premieres. You know why it's important? You guys can get to interact with us, can ask us questions. There's various artists who are with us the night of our premieres, and if you ask a question, if I can't answer that question, I'm telling you, someone else will answer your question. It's just a live chat. We get to, like it says, chit chat, hang out, and have fun for the 15 minutes duration of each artist we're premiering. All right, we really do appreciate every single one of you that come out every Tuesday night. I'm so appreciative, guys, and I do love you, and I want to say thank you so much. All right, and if you have missed our premieres, no worries, just go back and watch our videos, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a beautiful comment, you know, say hi or whatever it is. Let us know how this painting makes you feel. That's what it's all about. It's a joy, you know. I like to create different painting using different colors, you know, just to inspire someone, make you feel good. This is what it is, and it speaks differently to everyone. All right, so thank you so much, and I will let you enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't go away. Thank you so much. Alrighty, let's check it out. The close-up of the wet result. Wow. Remember I was telling you guys that this one actually grew on me. The cells were just popping through and I'm like, okay, it's enough. That's enough. That's enough. But you know what? I love it. And that's how it is when working with metallics. They create beautiful cells. And, you know, I love the way that they interact with each other. You can see the Liquitex Basic Gold. It really didn't create that much cells, but it creates some beautiful highlights, some beautiful, you know, effects right there in the center. And I love it. I do love the rose gold. I think it's my favorite part in here mixed with the espresso. I love it. And that transparent color that you're looking at that looks kind of whitish. That is the effect I got from mixing the folk art with the artist loft. And yeah, that is just beautiful. Soft in some areas and beautiful bolder cells in some areas. Small cells. I do love it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. Here it is, all dried, and it's looking amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh, I don't know, the black base really enhanced these colors, and I just love the size of the cells. I love the bolder cells. I love the streaks from the golds. I just love everything about this piece. So amazing, guys. And yeah, let me know what you think. I am just loving it. I'm amazed. I call this one my gold rush. You know, it's just amazing, and I truly love it. Let me know what you guys think about this one. There's no finish on this. There's no resin, and this is what the effect you get when you mix your paint with Artist Loft Pouring Medium. It's very glossy and create beautiful effects. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I will see you guys next time on Camila Moy Art. Don't forget before you go that if you're here at the premiere, that Nate should be next after, and we also have another premiere coming up, Christmas in July, guys. Can you imagine Christmas in July? It's gonna be epic. All right, so do check us out and we will see you there. Bye for now.